There, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this one out. Got a 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. Beige in color, nice alloy wheels, privacy glass. Got a roof rack up on top. Little stripe running up and down it. We do have power lift gate and power sliding doors. You can operate that with our keyless entry. Look at this, stow and go. So those seats will fold flat right down in there. Nice floor mats. Those two middle seats will fold down in there too. So I'll show you where those go. This is a front wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 1 owner. Got a clean auto check. Does have factory warranty left on it. We have checked it out too, so you can buy this car with confidence. Look at that, nice quad seating, leather, nice clean back door, back seats. Sorry about that. We got that's where these seats fold down into, and then you can just cover them right back up. So you can really configure this thing nice. You got rear entertainments, a rear DVD player, nice wood trim throughout the van, AM, FM, CD, satellite radio with Bluetooth. There's your dual automatic climate control, cup holders, compartments to hold things in, cruise and radio control on the steering wheel along with Bluetooth, power windows, door locks, mirrors, power seat, auto headlights, analog gauges. Hey, you check out pictures at tomsparks.com. You know what this van's missing? It's missing you. You need to get down here and buy this one. Gotta ask for Brad though. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.